Thank you. See? Awal-awal buat kerja. Yeah. What's up, Cricks? Right now, back here at Victory Motorsports. We're about to do some stuff again today. Today, I'm just gonna wait for my order to come. I ordered an engine stand and a few tools. I want to get a basic tool set, so I don't have to find for tools because this guy doesn't put back his tools. He doesn't put back his tools, so sometimes it gets really hard to work because it's slow. I got my own tool set. I got my own tool set. Huh?
Sorry, bro.
Waiting for the engine stand so that I don't have to work on the floor anymore. It's kind of hard when the engine's on the floor. Kan, Bundu? Susah kan kalau kerja kat lantai?
2,000 years later.
Nothing much happened today. It's already sundown because I was waiting for my package to arrive. It came really late. I already did whatever I could on the floor. And right now, this is the stand, which is like that. And I got another one so that Mael can work on that engine for another car. And I can work my engine on here. And I don't want to disturb his business because I'm like using his place already. It's nice enough. And I also got a new toy. Yeah, baby. Check this out. My own personal tools. Damn, look at that. Shiny new tools. I'm gonna be using it on my 2J. It is recommended by Mael. Kan, Mael. Okay ah, bagus ah. Mael is the ambassador for this chain. No, there's no sponsorship on this video. But if you guys want to sponsor me tools, yeah, there's an email below and let me know. I'm gonna use my tools to fix up the engine stand. And then after that, I'm gonna put a 2J and I'm gonna call it a day because a lot of time was wasted waiting for this. Let's get to it! I'm sure putting up an engine stand is not that hard.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me.
Oh look, it's the instruction.
12 seconds later.
24 nut M8, 3-inch swivel caster. I'm sure putting up an engine stand is not that hard.
Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love.
I'ma leave, I can touch the sky.
Every digit that they been should have paid. Had to find a way to get it, no decision.
So I got it on the stand, looking good. Working fine. But it looks like we're gonna continue another day. Almost everything's out. Gotta take this out, gotta take this out and all this out. Not a very productive day, but I will make it better the next one. Hopefully to start opening the head and to see the insides. You know, it's all about the inside, guys. You just wanna see what's on the inside. Very exciting day. I'm gonna be taking apart my 2J. So it's been a while. Mael was sick and the workshop was closed, so that's why the updates was taking too long. And also there was a festive season, which is Hari Raya, and I hope you guys had a great one. Let's open this.
NANI?!
Nail! Itu skru jatuh dalam oil sam. So, I dropped the freaking screw head in one of those oil hole on the head, and now that freaking screw spline drive is right inside the oil sump, and I'm forced to open the oil sump. See this? Oil sump, and this little bugger was in there.
Terkamu? Ya. Jaga dengan ni perbam. Ini ada barang lah jatuh ni.
Itu oil sump tu.
Okay.
Oh my God, I praise you, Lord. Thank you so much. Oh, Mail.
Laki
Mail. So actually, I almost messed up the start and I almost couldn't take it out. Thank goodness, with the help of Mail. See right there? I messed it up real bad. Oh, so close. So we got the head off. I started pretty late today, so I didn't get too much. Everything all arranged and labeled. Head section done. Pretty decent because it's a very old engine. The piston is black. Well, that wasn't unfortunate. I wanted to open that later, but yeah, you saw what happened. Berat tu.
Oh, berat.
Oh, betul berat tu.
Iya.
Whoa, that crank is heavy. Crazy. So I got everything out. Everything's nicely arranged. So after I'm done with washing everything, I'm ready to rebuild the engine. It's gonna take a long process, but it is progress, guys. Progress. Everything's out. It was really fun taking it down, and I'll update you real soon. So, progress is good. Tore down the whole thing. By the time you're watching this, wait, let me chew this finish. So rude. By the time you're watching this, I've already gone through the washing process and it is going fine. It's all done. It took a really long time to get everything washed because Mail always tell me that when you're doing an engine, it needs to be clean. That's the most important thing. Everything is going fine. I'm waiting for the parts to come. I've already ordered some parts and I got an update on the specs that I'm doing. Before this, I wanted to go with stock standard, but it looks like when I did a compression test, piston number 5 was not doing so well. Oh no 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 no! My head! So I was like, might as well just take it out, rebuild, overhaul. That's the reason why I tore down the whole thing. If not, actually I could just take the engine and just dump it into my Alteza. But right now the process is going to be longer than I thought. It is going to be awesome because I got a few stuff and goodies that I'm going to get and put into the engine, and I'll update you guys when the parts arrive, because no point of me just telling it. I want to show you guys. I am as excited as you guys. I'm seriously like a kid now, like I'm so excited. I guess you guys gotta wait for the next vlog. Let me know in the comment below what you guys think the build is gonna be. Is it gonna be like super 1000 horsepower, 2000 horsepower? Just take a wild guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Those people that didn't know what's inside the engine, now you can see what's in the engine. Again, if you guys want some real-time updates, just follow me on my Instagram. I just really cannot wait to... Man, it's gonna be crazy. I'm just imagining the moment where the first crank goes chicka chicka chicka, boom. That day will come. That day will come. Whatever you're doing, quick it up. Oh, you saw the dead cat. Oh, you saw the dead cat. You scared of the dead cat.